people. Hope you had a good Christmas yesterday. We've got the Honda CBR to do. We're going to do the oil and the back brakes. And hopefully we don't have as much drama as we did last episode, which was the front brakes. Have to do all the extra work. Anyway, hope this video goes well. Thank you to it. Have a good New Year and a Boxing Day. Alright, so now I'm just going to undo these two with this Allen key to get to the back rear brake fluid. Alright, now we've got an 8mm just here to undo. Okay, so we got that bolt undone. I'm hoping that this tells us what dot fluid it wants. It wants .4. Oh, Kobe's starting the Falcon. So yeah, .4. Use only .3 or .4, but .4 is better. So use the .4. Okay, so I got the brake floor for dot fluid. .4 fluid. And I just need to undo that. Over exaggerating.
I went in the car and it's going little way now.
It's what?
His car is going like. Do you hear his car?
Yeah, it's going, but he's not in it. Is that what you mean? Yeah, it's naughty. I don't know. Is there any law against it? Probably not. Okay, now we're just going to tighten this up. These look much fuller. Where possible, always use the ring end spanner.
On the back here, Dad.
It is. So now we're going to do oil. We need something to catch the oil in. As you can see, it's just an old cake tin I found in the rubbish. No need to go buy a fancy $20 freaking thing. As long as it doesn't leak, who cares? It's oil. It's not petrol. It's not going to eat through it. So this is the oil bolt that you put oil in. Yeah. And the other one that we want is that one right there in the middle. Can I reach it? Up there. That one up there. That's the one we're going to undo. So we're just going to place our container directly underneath. Ish. And get the spanner, 17mm spanner. Where are you? Done doing the bolt that holds the oil in. Just going to empty the oil out, see how much oil is actually in it. Hopefully there's 1.5 liters. Well, hopefully there's something in it, at least. Oh, it's black. Why is that so black? At least there's oil in it. Oh.
Why's no more oil coming out?
Yeah, because I put the thing back in. I'm going to stand it up for a second.
You're about to tip the oil over. You're about to tip it. You need to move it, Dad.
No, it's alright.
Do you want me to just keep filming the bowl?
No, it's alright. I think I'm done.
Do you want it? The phone?
I don't know if I've got 1.5 liters.
Find 1.5 liters bottle. Do you want me to go see if that Coke bottle's 1.5 liters?
No.
Do you want the phone?
No.
Well, it's still recording.
Yeah, we'll keep it away. There's oil everywhere now.
I'm still filming. Do you want me to stop?
Yeah, it's okay. So there you go. That's how black my oil is. Can't even see through the container. But we have a sight glass. We've got low and we've got high. So we want to be in between this range once the bike is standing up straight. And as you can see, the further I go over, the more of the oil I can see. So I'm going to get my boy to hold it level while I do the rest. Hold up, straight. Is that level, do you reckon?
No, I reckon that's about level. I'm filming.
Yeah, so we're just topping it up until we can see this line of oil go to the line that needs to be at.
I'm on.
And we just give it a minute. Oh, see, we went too far. Why is it not black? So is that bike's straight?
Yeah.
What do you reckon I should get a level for the seat? Do you reckon I should go that far?
No. You look about straight. That looks about straight, yeah. Yeah, that's about straight.
Whoa.
What? How much did you put in? Did you put in too much?
No, it's on the line. It's on the line. So, see that?
Mm.
So I reckon we'll leave that. We'll get the lid back on. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you want me to get the 70?
Yep, please.
Oh, where are
We'll
you?
start the bike back up and see if it goes.
Can I? Please?
If you want to.
Yay. Where's the keys?
Make sure it's in neutral. Can you see the green end?
Yep. There.
Yep. Yep.
This feels like it's got tip. Now do I push that button down?
No, kill switch first. Wait for it to make some noises and you're right to go. Now tilt it over this way. Yeah, see the oil's disappeared. No oil in the sight glass now. So Kobe's putting it up straight and now we've got an oil in our oil glass. Yeah, oh, see how much of a lean? It makes such a big difference. I might get the leveler so we can test if it's flat. Okay, so we've got our level out so we know that it's level. Okay, so after trying it level, to that, and now start.
It's not level yet.
Now we've got it under cover so it doesn't get any dirtier than it already is. Kobe's bringing the petrol out and we're good to go. Thanks for helping me do the oils. Oh, by the way, it needs 1.5 litres of motor oil.